Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have HMD XR21 and I want to show you how to add event to your calendar on this device. First step to do it is activate our calendar application. In it, we must tap on day when we want to add our event. We can change view for a month and there tap on day maybe 40th of November. And this plus icon and event. First step, add title of your event. In this part we can change add this event to group about what is it about our family, calendar, events, house or something like that. In this part we can set when event start in which time, or we can set it will be all the event by switch on. Repeat of this event if we need it. There we can add this event to people calendar. We can make video conference when event starts. Add location of that notification, and you can add more than one notification what you need. There we can change color about our notification to this event, add description and attachment. After you set all you need, press save and we have it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.